Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you two recipes how to make beef kofta curry and patties. The kofta in this dish can be made with lamb or chicken. Juicy, flavor-packed spice koftas are simmered in a special blend of brown spices. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients that we need to make these dishes. These are the ingredients to be blended. Here I've got 2 onions, 1 inch of ginger, 10 to 12 garlic cloves, 8 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of fried gram, 12 cashew nuts, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 8 cloves, 4 cardamoms, 1 tablespoon of each peppercorns, cumin seeds and fennel seeds. Add little water and grind these into a fine paste. You can use 2 tablespoons of custard. It's not available here, so I'm using cashew nuts. This will thicken your gravy and gives a wonderful taste to your dish. This is how it should be, nice and smooth paste. In this I'll take 4 tablespoons to make curry, set aside. The remaining we will add it to the meat. This is 1 kilo of minced beef. To this add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of each mint and coriander leaves finely chopped. Add the ground paste and a teaspoon of salt for this meat. Now let's combine everything together. Divide this into 2 portions, one for kofta and the other portion to make patties. Let's make patties and set aside. No need to add eggs or any flour. In this, fried gram will act as a binding agent. In the other half, let's make kofta and keep it ready. I've kept 2 pans, one to fry patties and the other one to make curry. Into a pan, add enough oil for frying. Keep the flame on low medium heat. Into another pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil to make curry. In that, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds and few stone flour. Fry this for a while, let the flavor get infused in the oil. Add 2 onions finely chopped, fry this for a minute or 2. Add patties, fry them on a low heat. Do not overcrowd the pan, add 4 to 5 patties in one batch. Fry both sides for 8 to 9 minutes. To the onion, add finely chopped curry leaves and tomatoes. Fry this for a minute. Add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped mint and coriander leaves and give a mix. Add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. Give all this a good mix. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Let's transfer the patties to a paper towel. Let's fry the second batch. Tomatoes are nice and mushy. Now let's add the ground paste. Fry this for a minute or two on a low heat. Gently turn the patties to the other side and cook for 4 more minutes. Add 2.5 cups of water, mix well, let it simmer for 5 minutes. It's been simmering for a while. Now in this stage, check for some salt, add if needed. I need little more salt. Mix well. Let's add koftas to the gravy, cover and cook for 10 more minutes. Kofta is almost done. Add half cup of thick coconut milk. Give it a gentle mix. Simmer it for a minute and turn off the flame. Finally, add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Give it a nice mix. Patties are also done. This is the last batch. You can serve this with rice and Indian bread. Flavor packed juicy kofta curry and patties are a perfect meal. These are must try recipes. Do share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. Also share this recipe with your friends and family. I hope you like this video. For more such recipes, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.